Hi everybody, welcome back again, part 3, linear grid abstraction, the painting concentration. This is the reveal time. I'm gonna finish off with the bronzer, of course, this little marbleizing spray. I use a lot of spray paint, so. Anyways, let's hopefully, let's start revealing this thing. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take I'm gonna have to get a trash can over here. There we go. Wall this tape up. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, I'm so careful about things. Well, that's kind of cool though. Reveal time. Reveal time. Ooh, look at that. Got what I'm looking for here. Cool as that. Like I said, some of this tape's pretty sticky stuff, so. Now I hair dried it a little bit so to make the tape come off a little easier. Plus it'd dry that spray paint. Wow, look at that. So cool. Look at that design, guys. It's really cool. Lots of little grids. Lots of little things going on there. Exciting. Exciting. Some of this tape's hard to get off. Pretty sticky stuff. There's a big piece here that I put on first. So it's been down there a lot. Pretty good. Almost revealed. Look how cool that is. That's so wild. Wild, I say, wild. Okay, let's check it over real carefully. Looks like it's all revealed. Isn't that cool, guys? That's a cool abstract, man. Okay, now I'm going to get some of this marbleizing here. Give it a nice 70s retro cool. There's my little happy painter coming down to visit me. Must have heard me spraying. Try to get it into those black squares there because it'll soften up this painting a little bit. Cool as that. Wow. Wow, I think I'm liking that. A few more little hits here. I think that's it, guys. There you have it. Concentration done, mid-century style, guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching.